Yo, what's up guys, this is Angga from Indonesia and welcome back to my video in YouTube. Today I have a good library for you to make your image view to be scrollable animation. So I'm use this library for create the splash screen or basic animation. And I already create it so you can see here. You can see here. Okay, I'm going to show you. Oh my god, yeah, that's one. Yeah, you will be able to make it your own, but right now I use the Sketch app, but if you don't have the Sketch app, it's not problem because I will provide the assets for you so you can learn it from my video. Well, check it out. Well, in this case, I will design the assets first with the Sketch app, so if you don't have the Sketch app, it's not a problem because I will prepare the assets for you. But right now we're going to design first into Sketch app. Now I'm going to create new document, and by press A on your keyboard for the Android. Okay, and after that I will change the name to the maybe splash screen. Okay, and then I'm going to create new rectangle for the background and group it for the BG, which is background. And after that I'm going to change the color to the gradient, and the first color should be black. No, I think we're going to the blue and like this. So the hex code is 12, 17 and 3F. And the second color is, we're going to this color. Okay, so it's about gradient. Cool. Now I'm going to create the bridge, little bridge. Okay, so just press R on your keyboard and I will create like this and remove the border, and then I'm going to group this for the bridge. Okay, and this bridge I will make the color maybe red color. We can use the red color here. Okay, and I'm going to duplicate this and change to the dark color like this and move to the bottom like this. Okay, and after that I will create the rectangle again here to make make the foundation. So we're going to press V on your keyboard and here and here. Okay, and without border because it's going to the foundation, flat design. And the color I will use, maybe we can use white color, just like this. Okay, and I think I'm gonna to duplicate this and change the color to the dark color like this and make to the bottom like this, and we group it for the foundation. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think it's foundation. And then I just want to copy and paste, yeah, and make it to the center like this. Okay, and after that I want to create the river right here. So just press R on your keyboard and make the river. So I press V and like this. Yeah, it's only sample of river, but I believe that you can make it more better than me. So yeah, I will put here So this is for the river. Okay, and I think that I will use the gradient color to make it more realistic. So here I will create like this. Okay, but I want to make it more bigger river. Okay, and click here again and click here. Okay, so it looks like more realistic, isn't it? And then I'm going to create the moon here by press O, and this is for the moon, and I'm going to change to gradient color like this and move it like this, and then I will to duplicate this and make it more bigger, which is 120%, and just change it to the white color and move to the bottom like this and get the opacity maybe 1. Okay, and get the shadow like this, and in the moon I will duplicate again and just create this color to be more dark like this, and we can make it small and setting the opacity like this and make it small. Okay, so I'm not really sure is this moon or not, but you know, I'm trying to make it just for the prototype. Okay, so it's called the moon. Okay, good. Now after that I will create the car like this, and just click this and duplicate and change the color to the black like this, and then I will make like this, zoom again and just like this, and we need to make it more realistic. Okay, okay, I think the black, it should be black strong. Okay, it's enough. And I want to make the car, oh no, just truck. So we're going to press R and here, and I will to remove the border and duplicate again and make it small and move to be here, and going to edit and click here to get the corner like this. Okay, and then I will make the ellipse right here and just duplicate again right here, and we need to duplicate this here and here. Okay, so we just need to change this color, and I will change it to the, no, I think the yellow, the orange is not good, because most of trucks it's silver like this. Okay, and here, and we're gonna to make it different color. Maybe we can use the black, but I think it's not, we can't see clearly, so just like this, and this one, this, but this we can make it the same color, but we want to make it more dark like this. Okay, and I just want to change this layer like this, but I think the circle should be below of the layer, so sorry, Yeah, yeah, I believe that you can make it more better than me. So I'm so sorry about this. I want to make it okay, and I think we need to make it more radius, so we can set in the corner like this. Okay, yeah, I believe that you can make it more better, because I just want to show you how to use this library to make it works. So this is called track. Okay, and I think I'm gonna to make little change here. Just make more realistic, and we can move here. Sorry, we can move here and group it, and then we're gonna to mask like this. Yeah, okay, so this is the basic of design. And we want to make it animation, so we're gonna to slicing to the Android. So firstly, we take all of them. Here in the river, we need to move to the from the bridge and make it river. So 1, and this is 2, and this is 3, and 4, and 5. Okay, so we select all of them and make exportable by 3x, no, 1x, and export layers. And then we're going to the desktop, create new folder, animations place, and export. Okay, and what to do, it's only going to the Android Studio. And I already to create new project, which is the empty activity, and the name is speed code. Okay, now we just need to export our assets into the Android here, and I'm going to res and drawable and pass again. Don't worry, I will provide the assets for you. Now we have big background, bridge, mount, river, and ugly truck. No, it's beautiful truck. And setting the background, oops, drawable background. Okay, and remove the text view, and don't forget to change the layout to the relative layout, and go to value to the styles, and here without action bar like this. Okay, and don't forget to change it to the relative layout like this. And then I'm going back to the sketch and looking for this background, and color number 1 is 12, and going to the Android, and then go to the colors, and the color primary drag is same color, so you will get the status bar right like this. Okay, it's pretty cool. And then we just need to go to here to create new images view for the moon, wrap content, and wrap content, and the background is drawable moon, and we just need to setting the margin is 20 dp. Okay, now you already create the moon here, and after that I will to create the river. But firstly, we're gonna to create the bridge. No. I'm gonna to create the river first. Wrap content and wrap content. And background is river. And I think that the layout width should be, what is this? Okay, match parent. And we want to make it to the bottom, so bottom is true. Okay, so this is the river, and after that we want to create the bridge. Okay, and I'm going to create the bridge here, and background is drawable bridge, and the layout width should be match parent, and then we move it to the bottom true. Okay, but we want to move here, so it should be like this. Okay, and after that we need to create the track. You know, track is very important for us. Without track you cannot deliver your packets. Okay, we're gonna to make it to the center horizontal is true, and the bottom is true, and setting the margin bottom around 100 dp, 130 dp. Okay, it's enough. So the track should be centered, and this is the river. And right now we just need to import the library, so we're going to the Gradle and build Gradle. But firstly, I want to make sure this layout is okay, so we're gonna to run this application again. Sorry, I mean we need to run this application first into the emulator. Well, I think the layout is pretty cool, isn't it? Just, I think we need to modify the track, but yeah, I just give you the example so you can make it more better than me. Well, we need to import the library, but firstly, here, we need to setting the jetpack first. We're going to build Gradle, and here, just create the Maven and URL by https jetpack.io, and then we go back to the app here to load the library, compile, and then com.github chuta continuous scrollable image view 1.0. Okay, so we're gonna to try it first to sync. Well, it's already imported, so we're going to close it. And how to test it, we need to change a little change for the XML, so I'm gonna to show you. Well, to make it animation, we need to use the library, so just here image, here continuous scrollable, and this is for the bridge. So I think that I want to here and just like this. Okay, and then here I will use the bridge because I want to make the bridge into the animation, and here we just need to setting the layout width to the match parent and the height 155 dp. Okay, and I think we need to change the width around 700. No, maybe, yeah, we need we can use the wrap content. Yeah, but if you are using the wrap content, it's only right here, so I prefer like to use the match parent, and I need to change it to the, maybe we can go to design and click here and change this. Here I'm looking for the, oh, there's no function to make it more full, so okay, so we can use this for the test, only test, and we can move here to the parent bottom is true, and we can remove the bridge like this. Okay, and then we can run this application into the emulator. Well, you can see the bridge is change movement, but yeah, I know it's little bug that we need to fix, but I'm not really sure that how to fix this. Yeah, so this is how it was from me. Well, if you have the another opinion, so you can tell me and we can fix it together. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and I hope it's useful for you. Well, don't forget to like, comment, and share it to your friends. Nice to meet you from Indonesia. Thanks everyone. Goodbye.